Good morning, people. Welcome to another video. We're gonna do some river fishing today. We have everything already set up, kayak, rods. So let's see when we can get in this amazing river. See you soon. That's the first one. I have my camera off so I can record it, but here's when I'm leaving him go. Hey, let's go, buddy. Fun. Hey, come on, buddy. A little dink. Yeah. Come on, come on. I know I can do it better than this one, but it's fish. I'll take it. It's still funny. Still having fun. So, yeah. A little Oscar dink. Look at this, it's pretty. Have nice colors on them. Yeah. Alright. Let's leave him go. Grow up. I'll be back for you. Let's keep on going.